Most people think they are bad at English because they forget what they learn, what they study, they forget. But the truth is, you don't have memory problem. You have process problem. If you want to stop translating in your head and you want to speak fluently, there is only one way. That is power of repetition. So today I'm going to show you why your brain needs it and how to do it right. Hello, curious learners. Welcome back to English Dojo. My name is Jyoti. And you know, we study English in a school for years, but we can't still speak a single confident word or a sentence. Why? Because school taught us like a subject. Teacher gave us grammar rule and we passed the test. After that, we forget. But teacher don't give us don't give us like a habit to speak fluently and to speak in real world. In school, if you make mistake, you lose your marks. But in real life, it is different, completely different. When I study in my school, my teacher taught me the cat sat on the mat, but I have never used it. Teacher don't teach us how to order coffee and how to explain our feelings, our emotion. Think back to your English class. Your teacher is probably spent 30 minutes explaining PPT, that is present perfect tense. You wrote down grammar rules, right? And you passed the test. But after that, you never used it. So, we need to learn real English phrases. We need to repetition. Why do we need repetition? Let me tell you a real life examples. Think about your phone number. Did you study for this? No. But you know it very perfectly because you have repeated it hundred of times for friends, for deliveries, on forms. You have repeated a lot. You know, when we learn a new word or a phrase, we need to repeat that word or phrase within 24 hours. Otherwise, we forget 70% of it. We forget because speaking is physical, right? So our tongue and jaw need to practice a lot, like workout until they become natural. We need to practice. So how to repeat any phrases? First of all, you have to pick any short video and pick out any phrase which you can use in your daily conversation, in your daily life. Okay. So say that phrase now 5 times. Say that phrase after 1 hour and say that phrase tomorrow morning 5 times. Okay. So this type you have to speak and you have to repeat that phrase. And you need to variable change. How? Like your sentence is, I'm going to store. Okay. So you have to slightly change. Like he is going to store. He is going to park. So in this type, you have to change your sentence. And you don't need to study hours. You have to these phrases while doing your works. Like if you are looking for something, that time you can say, if you are looking for your keys, okay, that time you can say, where did I put my keys? And if you are busy, that time you can say, I have a lot on my plate right now. So this type of phrase you have to use many times. Instead of memorizing a grammar book, start with 5 phrases that you can use in your every single day. So repeat after me. Like, how is it going? How is it going? You can use it instead of how are you? I am running a bit late. That is very useful for daily life. Could you repeat that, please? The most important phrase for learners. I'll get back to you on that when you need a moment to think or check something. I'm with you on that. Better than just saying, I agree. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. And we are on same journey together, right? So thank you for watching.